one box 一箱一箱 two boxes 二箱二箱 three boxes 三箱三箱 four boxes 四箱四箱 five boxes 五箱五箱 six boxes 六箱六箱 seven boxes 七箱七箱 eight boxes 八箱八箱 nine boxes 九箱九箱 ten boxes 10箱10箱 Great! 一箱二箱三箱四箱五箱六箱七箱八箱9箱10箱 Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say 3 boxes in Japanese? A. 7箱 B. 2箱 C. 3箱The answer is C. 3箱 Number 2. How do you say 2 boxes in Japanese? A. 5箱 B. 2箱 C. 9箱The answer is B. 2箱 Number 3. How do you say 6 boxes in Japanese? A. 8箱 B. 10箱 C. 6箱The answer is C. 6箱Number 4. How do you say 1 boxes in Japanese? A. 4箱 B. 1箱 C. 3箱The answer is B. 1箱 Great! Something you might enjoy. Japanese coloring book called Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club is on sale at Amazon.com. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. We deeply appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. See you next video. またね